Hello everyone, welcome back to Think About Meal. Today we are doing a salad that is filling and full of flavor, but only requires 5 minutes of preparation. It's the French Tabouleh, perfect for the sunny days in front of us. No, it's not the original Tabouleh from Middle East, that is an herb salad with bulgur. France took inspiration from the original recipe to create its own version. Let's see how we do it. See, if you talk about tabouleh in France, most people are not going to think about the Lebanese tabouleh. No, they will think about this. The French tabouleh is a fluffy couscous with lots of crunchy veggies and gentle herbs. There are plenty of variation for this salad, but we'll do a simple one today that captures all the great things about French tabouleh. In a nutshell, the French version keeps the bright lemony dressing with olive oil, but reduce the quantity of herbs and increase the amount of vegetable. And finally, swap the bulgur for couscous. For those who don't know what is couscous, it's almost like a tiny pasta. It's made of wheat and water, but the cool stuff about it is that it cooks in 1 minute in boiling water. Yes, super fast. But one of the secrets of this recipe is that we are not going to use boiling water to hydrate the couscous. We are going to use the juice of all the vegetable and the dressing, so that all the flavor are concentrated in this salad. Yes, that's the secret of this recipe. Now, let's start to prepare it. It's a very simple salad to do. Let's start by dicing the tomatoes. No need to be too precise here. See those tomato juices? That's one of the secrets. Don't throw them away. It will flavor the couscous, so save them into your mixing bowl. We will do the same with the cucumber and keep also the juices and the seedy center that contain most of the juices of this vegetable. Now it's time for the herbs. I'm using mint and parsley today. I think it's the best combo for this salad, but you can use only one herb if you want, or add extra ones such as dill, chive, basil, tarragon. It's really up to you. Chop the herb finely with your knife by bundling them together and rocking the knife through them. Now add all your couscous. No need to cook it before, yes, it's gonna be the juice of the veggies that's gonna rehydrate it. Now add the juice of a lemon. Add some salt that will, of course, season the salad, but also extract more juices from the veggies. Then we add the olive oil and we mix everything together to ensure all the couscous is coated in vegetable juices, in lemon and in olive oil. All the prep is done. Now we just need to wait for the couscous to absorb all the juices. So put a plastic wrap on your bowl and leave it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. The best is to prepare the salad the night before and to have it the next day for lunch. And here it is, guys, the French version of tabouleh salad. This one I've stayed 5 hours in the fridge and I fluff it up before serving in a bowl. This salad is perfect for a picnic or potluck as it can be prepared in advance. It's also great for a barbecue with a side of grilled meat or grilled fish next to it. You can add many other ingredients as this recipe is really a base for the salad. Some people add cooked chicken to it or shrimps. It's also great with some raisins as they add some sweetness. You can add some spices like paprika or cumin. Some even put canned corn into it, so really feel free to customize it. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried this salad. Leave a like if you liked it and see you next time. Bye bye.